Josie.
I heard you like confidence.
Hey, let's go.
Well, I've got a lot of it. So baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that
Hey.
you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. Let's have some fun with it, cause you know I'm running it.
Hey.
I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like that-oo, that-oo, that-oo. You feel like we blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you try to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me blink twice,
Hey.
he's not even thinking about me. Baby, he's just looking at me. Crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come up and amaze me. I'm at this spot, baby, tell me, are you ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like that-oo, that-oo, that-oo. You feel like we blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice if you try to roll the dice. Let me give you some advice. If you like me blink twice, he's not even thinking of me. Maybe he's just looking at me. You really like me, babe.
Niisip ko guys kung
Just blink twice. If
mag-exit ako dito sa space para makapag-video ko ng ibang song. Pero gusto ko din kasi sila marinig sa space. So paano? Ano gagawin ko?
Si Aya, mute ka.
if you like me blink twice, he's not even thinking about me.
May naka-voice changer ulit. Sista ako ata.
He's just looking at me.
Sista ako.
Maybe he's just looking at me.
Wala guys, nagkukusa yung ano ko maghahaw.
Maybe he's just looking at me.
Okay, comments! Ano bang fun fact natin nung nire-record natin to? So, nire-record namin to 2 days. Ay! Yung MV pala.
Guys,
Wait
gusto
lang,
ko
sa recording
mag-stop
pala. Nirecord
ng
namin to sa
reaction
LA
dito sa
matagal
X-Space
na,
nila
like
kasi
last year pa nung
gusto ko na mapakinggan yung song.
while ginagawa namin yung before namin gawin yung Canada na concert namin. So nirecord na namin siya sa LA. Tapos yes, parang yun yung pinakamalaking recording studio na napag-recordan ko, no? Nag-record kami ng Blink Twice. Right, girlies? Yeah.
Good again. Sister.
Ate Aya!
Si Ate Aya pa.
Yung ano, hindi na natin sabihin yung artist, pero gusto yan na isang artist. International artist.
Sino yun?
Ano pwede sabihin? Yung alin,
Yung
sorry?
pangalan. Wag na.
Ng
Si Colette yung mag-i-spoil na naman eh.
So, ano ba mga fun fact natin?
Yun, doon
recording
natin
tayo
na-meet si,
doon. Doon natin na-meet
si J Park tsaka si Agnes Cho.
si J Park. Yes. And, speaking of J Park, ang next nating papakinggan, siya yung collab natin sa song na to. Ito, personal favorite ko. Kayo ba?
Yung secret na yan.
No.
Ay! Gusto ko na mapakinggan.
Okay. Okay, so ako, ito personal favorite ko. Let's play it.
Oh my God! Let's hear it. First time hearing
J
it.
Park.
And then ulitin ko na lang after nitong space para ma-appreciate ko lalo yung music. Hindi ko ba pakinggan? Wait. Sabay ko na lang. Is that Vika? Oh my God! It's Taco. Oh my God! Guys, wait lang ha. Habang pinaplay ni Jo, papakinggan ko na.
Something's up, I can see it written on your face now. What's now? What you thinking? Wondering why you
Is
can't
this
let
Gwen?
it go.
Wait lang, sino
What's
to?
now? What you thinking? Wondering why you can't let it go. Lately you get it off your mind.
Miss
Don't know
Mika.
what you're feeling, it's not enough. You can talk to me and we can work this
Oh
out.
my God, Mika!
Oh, I don't seem to get you out. Are you hiding something from me,
Stop, Mama.
baby? Ooh,
Ang hirap talaga ano ng boses nila.
Tell it all to me now. Ooh, I wanna show you this you can.
Ayan!
Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. Just trust me, you can trust me, boy. Speak, let me hear your voice. Tell me all your
Is
you can
that
trust me,
Colette?
boy. Speak, let me hear your voice. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. I'm not playing, trust me, boy.
Tina?
Go with me, make some noise. I see trouble
Di
in
ba
you.
pwedeng gawing
Trust me, boy.
Trust me, girl.
You go with me, make some noise.
I see it's troubling you, I see it's setting you up. I see whatever you do, with day later you
by the
up.
way, hindi ko
Don't know who
kilala
this
itong
side,
collab
so
nila.
stay
So,
tired, never
I
let
don't
words
have any
slide.
idea.
Is it all because of the past that you had? Is it why you cannot talk to me?
Just can't think of no reasons, just to let you know you're safe for me.
Oh, I don't seem to get you out. Are you
Is this Colette? Oh my God!
from me, baby? Ooh,
My baby. At mayroon naman din itong
wanna
sinakanta.
show you that you
Ay,
can.
Manoy.
Tell me all your secrets.
Why not?
Promise I will keep them. Just trust me, boy. Speak, let me hear your voice. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. I'm
Oh,
not playing,
that's
trust
all.
me, boy. If you're with me, make some noise.
I love the beat. The lyrics, their voices.
Tell me, boy.
Hindi na pwede tell me, girl. Like,
Tell me, boy. Tell me, boy. Is it something about me? Have I done something lately? Did I say anything
It's
to
Ava.
make you feel this way?
hindi ko malalasas ako dito sa kantang to.
Me by your side, don't need to
No.
worry. You don't have to hide. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. Just know you can trust me if you're all you got. Tell me all your
The harmonies.
secrets. Promise I will keep them. You know you can trust me. I'm not lying. You
Na.
can count me on.
Grabe, hirap talaga i-distinguish na mga verses ko ni ni Gwen at saka ni Stako. Wait lang, ano nangyari sa space?
Fun fact. Ako na ba? Magkasalita ba ako?
Oh
Fun
my
fact
gosh.
is,
Wait lang, guys.
hindi siya collab. Tama ba ako? Ay, hindi ko alam. Parang, dapat collab siya, tapos naging pili na, tapos naging collab. Tama ba? Di ba tama ako? Naglag pa ako?
Yeah.
Ay, okay.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Yeah. So, na-record namin tong song na to, hindi kami sabay ni J Park. So, nauna namin siyang i-record lahat muna.
Wait lang, guys. Wait lang yung sa space.
You know you can trust me. I'm not lying. You can count me on. That's right.
Deep inside, I know you're trying to hide. No, keeping your thoughts and limitations.
No.
Tell me, boy. Tell me, baby.
What's the line?
Do your own thing, I'm reminding you, baby, you can trust me.
Tell me, boy. Tell me, boy.
Ooh, I love it.
Sabihin kayo pa from first song.
I love it.
galing. Search nyo guys, Drum and Butterfly.
I love it. The secrets.
Search nyo daw, Blooms.
Or parang galit ka.
Josie.
Baliw. Okay, next naman. Eto.
Ano next? Sabay
Etong
natin.
Zero pressure naman. Kung mapapansin nyo. Sa teaser, parang medyo ano siya, no? Bago sa Bini. Very ano siya. Medyo fierce yung atake niya. May choreo na kami dito. Hindi pa lang namin tapos.
Ooh.
Pero
Yung dance practice
Yes,
kaya
okay.
ng Blink Twice.
Heaven knows it falls of nature.
Of course, it's Taco.
Coming like a hurricane.
Grabe, low
I'll take it
register.
down without a chaser. So everybody knows my name. It ain't about the fame. I wanna be remembered for the way the world gon' change us. I got fire in my blood when I move. No, you won't catch me holding on
Jo!
for a miracle.
Oh my God!
Right here and I got nothing to lose.
Collect!
I'm always looking up at the pinnacle. Never hold back, no.
Joy?
Always doing better. Keeping the heat on. Zero pressure, zero
Wow!
Ain't no one gonna give it to you.
Sobrang ibang-iba siya doon sa
Gotta
mga
grab it before it goes.
napakinggan ko na Bini. Ako lang bar,
Even
di
if
ba?
it
Parang
falls to
beat.
ruins,
Atake.
I'm never giving to love. Pain, it ain't about the fame. I wanna be remembered for the way the world gon' change us. I got fire in my blood when I move. No, you won't catch me holding on for a miracle.
Sobrang iba pero sobrang catchy pa din. Catchy pa din.
Baby, I'm always looking
Baby! Ah! Tamay baby.
never hold back, no.
Napang sa line.
Always doing better. Keeping
Na may perform nilang lahat to. Yung live, guys. Live. Eh! May kaya. Grabe, sobrang iba yung atake. Parang Hollywood song. Wow! Oh, I like the wow! And the video, like,
Ganda siya nung nung na-release. Any comments?
sobrang ganda! Like, the secrets.
Baka hindi,
Is she?
baka pauwi na iba eh. Baka umakyat pa sa elevator. Okay, go, bebe.
So, I love zero pressure. Thank you. No, I like it.
So far, aside sa Blink Twice, gusto ko yung secrets. So, hindi ko yung paalam yung out of my head.
Yeah!
Yeah! Ooh! Dua Lipa, Mika. Parang ganun nga yung vibes, no? Istakot si Mika. Si Gwen.
Ate ko na. Ano pa? Ano pa?
Ate
Ano
Kap
pa ang
Abanjing.
fun fact natin? Si Ate Aya ba? Paakyat na. Nakauwi na ba si Ate Aya?
Zero pressure.
The way banggitin ni Colette is zero.
Hindi ginalingan ni Joanna yung isang line.
Baliw!
Jalet,
Baliw ka!
bali.
Ayan, ayun na si Ate Aya. Narinig ako kanina.
Yes.
Oo, kanina. soundboard?
Soundboard.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah?
Narinig niyo ako?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes. Hello?
May comments kayo or may fun fact kayo
Ang
sa
sarap
ano,
yung
video
snipping
break?
Yan
tools
favorite
nito.
ko.
Wait lang guys.
It's giving
Ay.
Dua Lipa vibes. Oh yeah. It's different,
Ay, ano ba yan?
different
Snipping.
attack ng beat. Maganda yung song, I like it. Pero,
Pang ano, pang thumbnail guys.
Maganda yung choreo guys, abangan nyo yung choreo.
Oh my gosh, seated sa choreo.
True.
When
Okay,
kaya?
are we ready for our next song? Yes?
Nilay mo ba yung from Spotify?
Hindi.
Kaya.
Wait, oh.
Mayo.
Okay, gets. Okay. Okay. So, next song, Out of My Head.
Let's go!
I love the song, but...
mamaya na.
Okay, shut your mouth.
Shut your...
your mouth.
Later.
Let's see.
Okay, let's
Later.
play it.
I play it.
Let's go. Stepped out of a
Kaya
movie
pala favorite ni
scene.
Mika. Oh,
Feels like you are my wildest dreams. I'll be the queen and you'll be the knight. But don't you think I was coming out of a fantasy? Make believe in their greatest schemes. I'll cast a spell and you'll do the climb. A match more perfect than fate designed.
Grabe lang register.
The clock is ticking. Don't think too much. Don't think too much. It's just a simple question to fall, to fall in love. Out of my head. Can't seem to find the path ahead. You're making me blind, keeping me up at night. Don't know which way to go. Heart's lost all control. Out of my head.
Maloy.
Come on, hey, don't walk away. Sometimes what's scary is worth all the pain. Pressure
Hey,
from someone,
Maria,
building the
hey.
diamonds. I'll be the queen of all of her islands. Be real, be true, be calm. Babe, love can do no wrong.
Let's go,
Everything
babe.
don't sound on the edge. Much sweeter when you're off the ledge. Hey, wanna take time, wanna figure things out. Treat me like the one, show me all the good crowds. Need a rose or a story to tell. Might be known as Sandy the Fat. My mind, my heart ain't interested. Been a while since you just walked in. Excuse me for being straightforward.
Pag register, I cannot. I'm sorry if may mali man ako sabi.
The clock is ticking. Don't think too much. Don't think too much. It's just a simple question to fall, to fall. Fall in love. Out of my
Ano, parang pang bar siya, pang party. Pero sobrang LS na maganda yung beat.
Can't seem to find the path ahead. Making me blind, keeping me up at night. Don't know which way to go. Heart's lost all control. Out of my head. Out of my head. Can't help how you race through my mind and fill my dreams with sweetest desires. Didn't think I'd fall in love this way. It's crazy how you made me say out
Oh my God, the voice.
my head. Can't seem to find the path ahead. Out of my head. Can't seem to find
Wow.
the path ahead. Making me blind, keeping me up at night. Don't know which way to go.
yung dating nung Out of My Head.
Favorite ko din itong kantang to. Gusto ko yung harmonies.
Ang ganda, oh my gosh!
Parang ito yung maririnig mo sa ano, Boracay, and you
Pero
know,
Blink Twice, Secrets, and then Out of My Head, and Zero
pang
Pressure.
acquaintance party, ganun.
For now. Pero hindi ko alam pag pa-old-old ko siya pinakinggan kung ano magiging favorite ko aside sa Blink
Out of
Twice.
topic mix. Dalan mo ko pimple pass.
Ako rin mix. Mix pa
Thank you.
Mix ako rin, mix!
Okay.
Mix na lang. Nakaibang topic.
Okay, sa out of my ng rap, tsaka ganda din ng men.
Ang ganda ng mga rap.
Road trip vibes.
True.
True.
Like, sobrang sarap niya pakinggan tong EP kapag nagda-drive ka or long drive mo.
Ako binabawi ko na out of my head.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. May hindi pa tayo napakinggan?
Yung Beanie Mo remix.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Hindi pa pakinggan yung ibang version ng M.
So, next naman natin ay Cherry on Top. Ito, ganda rin, no? Nung ano, nalagyan ng ano, Agnes mo. Ito din, Blooms,
Yes.
nung na-record namin tong ano, nung na-record namin tong Cherry on Top with, ano, hindi rin namin kasama si Agnes Mo. Pero grabe, sobrang bait niya sa personal. Na-meet namin siya nung nag-record kami ng Blink Twice sa LA. Sobrang ganda niya, sobrang bango niya, sobrang galing niya, sobrang ganda ng
Kahit ng interview, naalala mo dyan, nag-interview tayo sa
Oo.
genuine siya.
Tsaka grabe siya sumagot, no? As in, ang grabe.
Okay, Gillette Space pala to.
Sagutan niya na. Very on point. And mahaba.
Talo si Aya doon.
Oo, dapat magawa naman sila ni Ate Aya. Okay, ito na. Cherry on Top, Beanie Mo.
Grabe, on point yung sigaw.
Ba't parang may ibang boses yun?
Oh my gosh, ano nangyari?
Nawala yung wifi.
Sorry, kumunik sa speaker sa labas. Nag-open sila ng speaker sa Isa pa, sorry.
Ngayon ko nakikita, nagka-comment pala si Namaloy dun sa space. Ang cute ng comment ni Mika. Hello, pa-accept naman po as speaker. Di ako fake ako. Oh my gosh! Guys, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, Jisoo! Naiiyak ako. Wait lang. I'm so sorry guys, wait. Nakikinig pa naman tayo. Oh my gosh, Jisoo! What?
Bam!
Bam!
Sobrang
Last song na yan.
Yes! Last song.
Oh my gosh, guys, si
Grabe
Jisoo.
no, I mean for this EP, very talaga nag-explore talaga tayo. May nakakolab tayo ng
Sobrang
English
different
singer,
nung EP, pero sobrang
American
ganda pa
Korean
din ng
na
mga song.
singer din ni J Park.
True, true.
Yeah.
True.
Malay nyo next EP, malay nyo, ano na, Blackpink.
Oh, Blackpink!
Yes.
Manifest, let's go.
Sino yung nagsalitang yun? Ako. Kabos mo sa ati Ayat.
Ay!
Yes!
Ooh, ito maganda pang thumbnail.
Any final message?
Katabi ko sila. Kaso kulang. Let's go.
Yes, that's it, Blooms.
Thank you, Blooms.
Thank you sa pagsama sa amin. And, ayun, sana nagustuhan nyo yung EP namin. And stream nyo, guys, yung Biniverse EP, yung MV din,
Save
guys.
natin.
Marami ako nakikita comments kanina. Sabi dun sa lyric video ng Blink Twice, bakit daw yun lang, walang MV? Baka hindi pa nila napapanood yung MV. So, ayun po sa mga hindi pa po nakapanood ng MV, meron din MV ang Blink Twice.
Let's go guys, let's stream Blink Twice and Biniverse EP. Sobrang ganda. Like, papanoodin ko ulit siya after nitong space.
Sobrang
Tapos ganyan yung energy, low na.
Thank you, Bloom, sa pakikinig. Thank you, Bloom. Good night, and stream. Ulit-ulitin.
Good night, guys.
Yan na naman.
Miss! Oh, wala pala si Miss. Improve pa.
Ang lakayan na.
Thank you,
naman
Bloom.
sila.
Thank you.
Nagtawala yung iba. Grabe si Bini PH, hindi man lang nagsalita. Dan na ba? Wait, nasali pa sila. Grabe tong video natin. Listening party pala to. Biniverse EP party. Oh, tapos na.